Halito! So today I want to give you guys a short phrase, and that phrase is, did you eat? Did you eat? And for the young people that like to say jeet, this is basically our way of saying it. So, ish impa, ish impa. And so ish just refers to you, and then impa is the wonderful word in Choctaw that means to eat, because impa ga dama chukma, I like to eat. And then ha is just another past tense question marker. And so simply all you're asking is, did you eat? Ishim paha, ishim paha. And this is more friendly too. So if you're concerned that someone hasn't ate yet and you want to feed them, just say, ishim paha, ishim paha. So I hope you use it, and I hope this helps. Hachipi salajagi.